Happy morning, children. Now see this container. This is the example of cylinder. We have to solve practice at 16.2. In this, we are going to solve question number 3. Now, question number 3 says, you have to find area of the base and radius of a cylinder. Find the area of base and radius of a cylinder. If its curved surface area is 660 square centimeter and height is 21 centimeter. So now here if you see area of the base of this cylindrical object, if you see, is circular. So what is the area of the circle? Pi r square. So area of the base will be pi r square. So they have asked you to find r radius, right? So r we will get. Once we get the value of r, we can get the value of area of the base of the cylinder. So here curved surface area is already given to you. What is curved surface area? This area is called as curved surface area of this. Okay. And this is area of the base. So now we will first start with what is given to us. We will write given first. So, what is given to us? Curved surface area. So, we will write practice set 16.2 given. Third sum given. What is given? Curved surface area. Curved surface area of the cylinder is equal to, how much it is? 660 square centimeter. And what is given to us? Height is given. Height is 21 centimeter. So now what we have to find? Radius r. Radius we have to find and area of the base. Area of the base of the cylinder. So we will start with curved surface area, because curved surface area is already given to us and we know the formula of it. So we will write formula of curved surface area of the cylinder. So we have written here formula for curved surface area of the cylinder, 2 pi r h. So what is curved surface area? 660. 2 into pi value is 22 upon 7 into r is, we have to find out, into h height is 21. So 7 1 is 7, 7 3 is 21, which is equal to, now 2 into 22 into r into 3. So what we will do? All this 2, 22 and 3 we will take it to LHS. And only we will keep r here because we want radius. So 660 into 2. We have to take reciprocal when we are taking it to, we are changing the sides from right to left we are taking. So 2 will be 1 upon 2 into. Now 27, this we have cancelled. So here this is 22. So here we will take the reciprocal, 1 upon 22. Left hand side we are taking, changing the sides. Then r is already here. Then here 3 will be 1 upon 3. Okay. Upside down, that is reciprocal. Now what will happen? Now you have to do the calculations. Here 2 is given. So 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6 and 0. Okay. Now what we will do? 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3. And here 0. Now 22 1s are 22. And 22 5s are 110 it is. So it is easy. No need to again do 2 1s are 2 1s. So here it will be 5 into 1. That is 5. Which is equal to r. So radius we have got. Now what we have to find? Area of the base of the cylinder. Now as I told you, area of the base of the cylinder is circular. So what is the area of the circle? Pi r square. So same formula has to be applied. Area of the base of the cylinder is equal to pi r square, which is equal to, what is the value of pi? 22 upon 7 into r is 5. So 5 square, which is equal to 22 upon 7 into 5 into 5. Now this calculations you have to do. 5 5 is a 25. So 22 upon 7 into 25, which is equal to, now 22 into 25 you have to do. See here, 25 into 22 I have multiplied. I have got the answer 550. So 550 upon 7. Now divide 550 by 7 and get your answer. See here, 7 sevens are 49. That will be, now 7 8s are 56. 10 minus 6, 4. 1 we have taken from here. Now after 550 you can put here decimal point. And as many zeros if you want you can take. So 1 0 you take down. So after decimal point you are taking 0, put here decimal point. Okay. So what you will get? 7 5s are 35. 10 minus 5, 5. Now again take this 0 down. Then what you will get? 7 sevens are 49. Okay. After decimal point 2 digit, that is enough. So you will get your answer 78.57 square centimeter. So write again the conclusion. Therefore, radius of the cylinder is 5 centimeter and area of the base of the cylinder is 78.57 square centimeter. Again write the conclusion.